Dad, when are you coming home? Dad!
Orphan!
Just imagine if it was a real ship with real sailors.
You're no captain, and that's no ship.
It is a ship, and I am a captain.
I think not.
That's beautiful.
Stop!
Hold on tight!
But I have no skills, no education, no hobbies.
We need a proper captain! There's danger all around us! Steady! Steady!
Buy a ticket. It's very cheap. Come on. Happa champo, chappa chapo.